Hello, guys. How is everyone doing? It is almost Christmas, and I just wanted to wish everyone happy holidays and also a Merry Christmas to all. I'm going to be dropping a special Christmas recipe for probably tomorrow or the day after. So stay tuned to that. For today, I'm here first of all to welcome you to my platform. For the new subscribers who just joined my platform, thank you for joining. Keep it locked, and also let us try out some healthy brown bread for today. That's what I'm preparing. First off, I'm going to start off by adding some warm milk into a mixing bowl. After that, I'm going to add some yeast, after which I'm going to add in butter. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. Don't want it frozen. Secondly, I'm going to add 1 piece of egg, followed by sugar, and I'm going to give this a good mix. Before I start, I bring in my strainer, which I'm going to place right on top of the bowl, and I'm going to sieve through the brown flour. And before I start sieving, I'm going to add some salt to that and sieve it together. Then I'm going to start mixing the entire mixture together with my spatula. And once it's completely well mixed together, I'm going to start kneading it using my hands. The technique best known for kneading is folding in, where you fold in the dough to the point at which you get the desired texture and feel of the dough. It's mostly a hands thing. It's based on a feeling technique. You need to know how to handle your dough, where you want your dough not to be too tough, neither do you want it to be sticking on your hands. So continue with that momentum, as you can see on my video. After which, you're going to cover this dough and let it prove. Going to give it about 30 minutes or so. After which, you're going to get a nice proven dough like the one you're seeing on my video. And after that, you're going to transfer this dough on my working table. And what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to divide it according to the number of tins I want to use. In my case, I want to use 4 tins in making my bread. And I'm going to divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Then I'm going to spread out each individual portion and fold it while tucking in the dough from all ends, as you can see on my video. And then we're going to bake this bread. After you're done with the portioning, you're going to bake the bread at 170 degrees centigrade for about 40 minutes. The thing about baking bread is that you don't rush your bread. Be patient. Let your bread cook at the desired temperature, slow and easy. And once the 40-minute mark is done, you're going to have a dough which is well proven, as you can see on mine. And you're going to bring in your butter, because now at this point you're seeing the dough is well proven like that. It means that the bread is cooked on the inside, or it's almost cooked on the inside, but it's still not yet browning. So we're going to apply some butter on top to give it that dark and crunchy and desire you need that a bread has on top of it. So once I'm done applying the butter, I'm going to put it back inside, adjust my temperatures to about 180 degrees centigrade, and then I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes or so, not so long. And we're going to get the bread, which looks like the one I'm slicing right there, with that crunchy dark cover on top, and it's nice and soft on the inside. Man, the smell of bread is amazing, especially when it's fresh. So after this, we're going to make a sandwich that I highly desire to eat. So I'm going to peel some potatoes, slice them into and cut them into chips, basically like French fries chips. After which I'm going to dry them, and I'm going to put them into my air fryer and fry them. And as the potatoes are getting ready, I'm going to slice my bread and cut off the edges of the bread so that I remove all the crunchy parts and I'm left with the middle center. And after that, I'm going to toast the bread so that it has that brown covering you're seeing on top. As the bread is being toasted, I'm going to slice some tomatoes and onions. After which, I'm going to start layering out my sandwich. First off, I'm going to apply some spinach. I'd prepared some spinach on the bottom. I'm going to lay out my meat on top of the spinach. And then I have me some Almarai cheese, some cheddar cheese, best suitable for sandwiches, specifically made for that. Absolutely delicious. You should get one in any available store near you. After which, we're going to do the same on the other bread as well. This time I'm going to lay out some onions on the bottom and the meat on top, and then another layer of the sliced cheese from Almarai. Then I'm going to put this on a baking tin and put it back in the oven for just a couple of minutes, about 2 or 3 minutes, because the oven is still hot. All I need to do is let the cheese melt and stick and bind together everything on the sandwich, on this sandwich that I'm preparing. After which, I'm going to take it out, and this is a desired result that you need. Then pile one on top of the other, and using another one slice, I'm going to put it on top of this, and using some toothpicks, I'm going to hold it together and finish off by adding my fries on my plate. Do try out this sandwich. Enjoy it with your family and your kids, and also do remember to have a happy holidays. And also, for those who have not subscribed, kindly do, and also like and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video.